Warm greetings to all. In today's tutorial, our focus will be on guiding you through the process of configuring settings within the elDoc platform for automatic document field completion. The initial step involves determining the fields in your standard document template that you wish to be automatically completed and populated. To facilitate the demonstration, we've highlighted these fields in red. Next, you'll need to allocate specific attribute ID field codes to the fields within your document template that you intend to have auto-populated when users initiate a new workflow. To achieve this, navigate to the Form Designer and select the desired document type. From there, head to the Form Builder tab. You'll need to copy the ID field codes and insert them into the corresponding section of your document template. This setup is a one-time process. These distinctive ID field codes play a pivotal role in automating the population of user-entered data into both the system and the document template. Once you've successfully integrated the ID field codes into your document, don't forget to attach this document template to the specific document form that users will be working with. An essential action to take is to click on Replace Template Fields with data from the document form setting. This setting triggers the data auto-population based on the requirements you've just configured. Once that's completed, let's proceed to examine how the auto-completion of document fields operates. Start a new workflow and proceed to the Master Service Agreement form that we've set up for automatic data completion. As we begin, enter the necessary information into the system while initiating the workflow. After inputting all the necessary data into the system and commencing the workflow, let's verify whether our entered data has also been seamlessly populated into the document template. And there you have it. All the data has been effectively filled into the appropriate fields. This streamlined process ensures data consistency and integrity throughout your organization. Experience the power of elDoc by claiming your free trial today.